Good morning, kids. I hope you all are fit and fine at your places. So kids, our today's video is based on the chapter 10, Hutu. Now you can see the chapter name is somewhat different. Yes, Hututu. Now what is the meaning of Hututu? See kids, one game is there, Kabaddi. Yes, in this game you use this word Hututu. See kids, you play different games, like some students play cricket, some students play basketball, some students play tennis, some students play hockey. So you play different games. Some students play football also, and in your school also you used to play different games like kho-kho, badminton and many more. So in this chapter we will discuss about one game, that is Kabaddi. Here in this chapter some girls are playing this game Kabaddi and they are taking these words Hutu, Tu, Hutu, Tu. Yes, they are playing this game and they are taking the names Hututu, and Hututu. So they are playing this game Kabaddi and they are taking these words Hututu. Now kids, let's start the chapter. Now all girls in this chapter, they are just screaming loudly Hututu, out. All girls are shouting loudly out. This means that here a game is going on of Kabaddi. Now Hututu, hold from the leg. Hututu, hold from the leg, hold her leg. Now here some girls are giving the advice, or you can say they are telling other girls to hold the leg. Hold the leg means they are playing the game Kabaddi and they are screaming loudly to win that hold the leg part. Hututu. Vasudha, come here. Hold her from here. Now again one girl is telling Vasudha to go from the other side and just hold the girl. Yes. Now here kids, you can see in these lines a game is going on of Kabaddi and all are screaming and shouting loudly and helping each other to win. Now here the main line comes. Hey, just take care that Shamla's hand does not touch the line. This means that two teams are there and from the defense team, one girl is there who is Shamla and she is playing, she has gone to other team part and there all the girls are putting their efforts to put Shamla in and Shamla was about to touch the line. Now Hututu. Shamla has touched the line finally. Yes, and all are screaming loudly out. Hututu, out. Now here Shamla finally touched the line. Now kids, which line Shamla has touched? How many players are there in Kabaddi? What are the rules of Kabaddi? Now the last line is your team is out. This means that just because of Shamla, their team has won. Yes, their team has won the game. Now kids, what are these girls doing? They are shouting. Yes, they are shouting out. They are shouting out. This means that they are playing a game. Yes. By these all words, by these all lines, what you get? You get that these kids are playing a game. And what was this game? This game is Kabaddi. Now before entering into the chapter more, we will study something about Kabaddi. So let's go.
Some Kabaddi rules. Now kids, as you can see that in Kabaddi there is always 2 teams and each team have 12 players. Now all the 12 players didn't play. Only 7 play and 5 remain as reserve. There is one line at the mid of the ground, that is the green line, and that line is called mid line. You can see in the between that mid line. Both the sides of the mid line, the 12 players stand and one by one each player move to the other team to catch. They can touch anywhere and they have to come back to the middle line.
Now kids, as you have seen many of the rules of Kabaddi. Yes, I think you have enjoyed it a lot and got a lot of information about this game. So now it's easy for you to understand this chapter. Now kids, this game is called by different names. Yes, this Kabaddi is called by different names. Somewhere it is called Chedu-Gudu. Somewhere it is called Hututu. Somewhere it is called Chukit-Kit or Hadudu or Kabaddi or something else. Means in different places the names are different of this game. Now as I've told you kids that in this game there are always 2 teams. It can be team A and team B. It can be of any name. Yes, the teams can be with any name. Here we are taking team A and team B. In this chapter kids, they have not told you that Shamla belongs to which team. By our own, we are taking Shamla in team A. Yes, one member. Shamla is the one of the member of team A. Now kids, see, it is a turn of team A to go in the part of team B. So Shamla of team A went inside team B. As I've told you, as I've shown you in the rules of Kabaddi, that one by one of the member of both the teams go to each other's part. So here Shamla of team A went to team B. Yes, and what she did there? She was shouting Hututu, 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 and with this sound she was trying to catch the members of team B. As you have seen beta Kabaddi many a times, the member which have gone to other team has to catch the members of that team, and what that team members do, they used to catch the member which was coming from other team. Yes, and what they do, they try to pull that member in their part, and they don't have to allow that member to touch the middle line, you can see. So I think many of you have seen this game and played also. Now as Shamla went to team B, 6 girls surrounded her, and one of the girl just hold her legs, some hold her arms, and some hold her waist. But Shamla didn't give up. Yes, she didn't give up, and she tried hard to touch the middle line. As you can see kids in the picture, the middle line. But Shamla was not the one to give up. She dragged herself and she tried her hard to touch the middle line. You can see in the picture the middle line which is at the center. Now when Shyamala touched the line, yes, when Shyamala touched this mid line. See, if this is the Kabaddi part, so if this is the middle line, then Shyamala, if this is Shyamala, when touch the middle line, all girls, yes, all girls, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. All girls were holding Shyamala and they all got out. Now as all were shouting that out, 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 then one girl from team B, her name was Rosie. She argued. Yes, she argued. And what is the meaning of argued? Means she raised her voice and she said that Shyamala has taken the breath in between. Now what is this breath, beta? See kids, when one team member wins to other team, to catch the members, they have to say one word, either Kabaddi or Hututu, like Hututu, 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 or Kabaddi, 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 Kabaddi. I think so. You have seen many a times, and at the time of playing also, you have also followed the same rule. And at the time of saying this word, you don't have to take the breath. You have to say this word fastly without taking breath. So Rosie raised her voice. She argued that Shyamala has taken the breath in between. Yes, but Shyamala also argued. She also raised her voice. She insisted that if she has taken the breath in between, then why all the girls were holding her till last? If she has taken the breath, the other girls should have left her. Finally, with the arguments of Rosie and Shyamala, Shyamala won and Team A won the match. Now kids, the game of Kabaddi. Yes. The game of Kabaddi. The game of Kabaddi. Now you can see this game of Kabaddi is all about pushing, pulling, screaming, shouting, falling on the ground. It is a rough game kids and you can get hurt. And it has many rules. The rules which we have discussed earlier. Now this game has lots of fun but lots of exercise also. Like holding your breath while running and playing continuously as Kabaddi, 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 Kabaddi. This is the great exercise which you do in this game. And also trying to touch the other players of the team and running continuously. This is all the exercise which you do in this game. This means kids that many things you can do in this game which is Kabaddi, but you have to hold your breath. Yes, you have to hold your breath at the time of playing Kabaddi or at the time of catching the members of other team. Now in this game Kabaddi kids, you have to use two things, your mind and your body. Yes, you have to use your mind also and you have to use your body also to pull or push the players. To pull also and push also, you have to use your mind that where and when you have to push or pull the players, and you have to use your body. Body means strength. You have to use your strength. Now, at the same time, you also have to think that how to enter the other side and whom you have to touch. Like you have to touch quickly and run. So here you have to use your mind. And if by chance you get caught, then how to reach the middle line. As I've shown you kids, how to reach that middle line. Now next time kids, when you will play kabaddi, just focus, just pay attention on your arms, legs and your eyes. Yes, this is required a great combination. Yes, a good combination is required between your legs, arms and eyes. So whenever next time you will play kabaddi, just focus on these three and maybe you can win the game. Now kids, as the games have rules, same way in our life we should make some rules and we have to follow them in a proper manner. Like many a times we have fights between us. So we should resolve them, we should solve them by our own, and like the game rules only, we should also have the rules in our life. So we should also follow the rules of our life. Yes, the things which our parents used to tell us, the advices which they gave us, we should follow them and we should work in a proper manner so that our life can become good and happy. So kids, now for today, this much only. Today we have discussed chapter 10, Hututu. Hututu means the game kabaddi, and this is the part 1. Now in our next video, we will discuss the same chapter but part 2. Now we will move to the activity corner.
Page number 79. The first question. When you play kabaddi, how many players do you have in a team? There are 12 players in a team where 7 players play on the ground and 5 others are substitutes. Now what is the meaning of substitute? Substitute means when one of the 7 players will get injured, one player from the substitute team or the reserve team will play. How many players got out when Shamla touched the line? 6 players got out when Shamla touched the line. The last, do you have ways to resolve disputes in games? To resolve disputes in games, we stay calm and listen to referee or umpire.